going on, guys? Back another video, new camera. I was filming all week, but I messed up using the camera, so none of the audio was actually recording, but now it's recording. We're good. I'm shooting on the Sony ZV-1F. It's a pretty cheap basic starter camera, but it does the job. It shoots in 4K, so hopefully the videos are so much better for you guys. I also picked up a little tripod just because I always needed one, especially for the video I'm going to film today. But I want to show you guys what I did in the last video when I wasn't able to film. We redid the trunk carpeting because a whole bottle of wheel cleaner exploded. This isn't looking super clean right now. I'm going to actually clean it in a minute. But we re-double-sided taped this piece down, and we have dyno-matted the entire rear of the trunk because I had to pull all the sound deadening out because it was covered in wheel cleaner. We're repainting that. That's right here. It's all done. We had some runs in it. There's something wrong with the panel. There must have been like some type of chemical on it that just, really made it hard to paint. This is my fourth time painting it. It's not going to come out any better, so I'm just going to get a different one most likely. For some reason these come blue. I never understood why, but we just repainted it blue. This is actually paint match. That's pretty cool, but I don't know. Just for the look, really. Nothing major. It's a sub. Probably going to clean it up a little bit because that corner got a little gouged somehow. But what we're going to do today, since we have all this extra dyno mat left over, got quite a lot of it, is I eventually want to dyno mat the entire interior of this car. Not sure if I have exactly enough to do it with that box, but I might. But today, I think we're just going to do the doors each side. Just quiet the car maybe. And then if we have time, we might go under, take the seats out, do under the carpet in the back area. Not 100% sure. But we're going to do the door panel definitely. So I'm going to snap off the door panel and put you guys on the tripod so you guys can watch me do it. I was going to try to do this on a tripod, but it doesn't look great. So really for the door panel for my car, since I don't have any of the armrests, we just got to take out that one Phillips for my door panel. I don't have any armrest or anything. So it's going to be 4 clips on that, and then all the clips here. So let's take that out, take the clips out, and the door panel will be off, and I'll show you guys underneath it. Okay guys, the door panel is off. We have the original sound deadening. I'm going to pull all of that off. Then I'm going to take the handle assembly off, just move it off to the side. That way it's going to be a little bit easier. Might even pop the speaker out. I'm not 100% sure yet. So I'm going to grab that off. Okay, got all that off. We got the matting over here. This stuff's pretty simple. All you got to do is peel this white part back. This is going to be sticky. And we're just going to place it places. So we're going to do one there, there, and we're just going to cut out the holes we need for everything. So I'm going to do that. And I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I just finished probably the hardest one I had to put down because I had to cut out the speaker, all the holes for it and everything, and all the holes for the door panels. Make sure you remember that. So that's looking pretty good. We're going to do that to the rest of the door, and we'll be back with you guys. Alright, well that's done. Looks pretty good, and even when you shut the door, you can definitely hear a difference, but I'm wondering, maybe I should do the other side of the door panel too. Like the back side of this. I think I might try it, just to give us that little bit more. So I'm going to do that and throw it on the car for you guys. Okay guys, KILLMAT at the inside of the door panel too. Cut everything for the clips and the door handle itself. I wasn't going to do it in here, but I think it might be unnecessary, but I might go back in the future and do it. So we're going to throw this on and see how it looks. Alright guys, finish this side. I have the speaker cover off still because I'm painting it. It's over there, just hit it with some trim black. Hopefully that comes out better. So yeah, we're done with this side. Door sounds nice when you shut it. Obviously we are adding a little weight. Nothing crazy though. And it's totally worth it just for the way this door already feels. It's just so much stronger. So we're going to do it to the other side. I'm not going to show you guys that because I just showed you this side. And we'll be back. Okay guys, this door is done like I showed. Still the speaker cover still drying. So it's real good. Then we got this side. I did it all too. It's all done. Still waiting on speaker cover too because I painted this side. Shot's real nice. Now that that back panel is done drying, I'm going to do something pretty extra. You really shouldn't. Well, you could. You shouldn't, I'm not going to say you shouldn't. I'm going to just put the wrap on the back of this too. Because you won't be able to see it. And it's just going to, keep all that heat and everything and anything that's in the trunk out of the cabin because it does lead to the cabin up there. So I'm going to just do that real quick on that panel and we're going to throw it in. Okay, well everything's back together. We got that speaker cover on. That's looking pretty good. Door panel's all back together and everything. That's on both sides. The close is really nice. And we got the entire trunk together. That looks pretty good, you know? It's not the greatest, but I think it definitely looks better than it did. I hate that I could see that. I really want better trunk carpeting and like a nicer spare tire cover, or maybe even a different spare tire. But the trunk carpeting for these cars are like $500. And I wonder if you guys can leave in the comments for me, what do you think about dyno-matting like the underside of the trunk? The trunk shuts real nice as it is, but I feel like adding that dyno mat might just be that one extra step that we need. I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you guys next week. I'm sorry, it's probably only gonna be one video this week. It's a little bit busy, and then, you know, the camera corrupted twice on me, so that was 2 videos gone. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hope you liked the new camera. And yeah, I'll see you guys either somehow another video today or next week, most likely next week. But have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.